Do you know that they make purses specifically for concealed carry? Cameleon Bags has sent me this purse to review. I did tell them this would be an honest product review. They're not paying me for this, but they did, however, send me this bag to show you guys. And actually, they gave me a choice of which bags I wanted, and this was my first choice, and they sent it to me, and I'm super excited to be reviewing the Hephaestus Hypnos 100% leather bag from their leather collection. This bag retails for $249.99, so a little bit pricey. They do have a lot more affordable options on their website, but when they gave me free choice, this, without even looking at price, this was the one that I wanted. I'm excited to hop into this review and give you guys my honest opinion on this product and conceal carrying my firearm. Right off the bat, what attracted me to this purse is the two-tone colors. I love this caramel leather color, and I love it with black. I love how smooth this leather is, and I don't know if you're like me, but I love the smell of real leather.
It smells really good.
It has that really nice leather smell. It's not overpowering. It's very subtle. It's very faint, but it's there, and I love it. We're going to test this bag out and see if it holds up to what it claims and if it is worth the money. So before we test this out, I do want to go over some of the unique features that they have listed and also that I've noticed myself. Right off the bat, what I love about this bag is the design. I like how simple it is, minimalist, and I love the little two-tone style that it has going on with the brown and the black, so it makes it more versatile for your style choices. Of course, I love that you can carry your gun in here. It does come with a separate compartment to conceal carry your gun in. And it comes with a zipper on this side and on this side, so whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you'll be able to access this back compartment here and get to your gun. This is where your handgun goes. Also, it looks like the padding back here really minimizes any printing of the gun. If I was carrying it like this next to me, no one's gonna know that that's a gun. You cannot see that at all. It's right here. Your metal from your gun's not going to be digging into you anywhere. It's going to be a nice, comfortable, and sleek, so no one can even tell that there's a firearm there if you don't have your backpack on. You can just unzip, access your firearm right away. Of course, this front compartment, it is an actual compartment. It's not for concealed carry, but it is a compartment where you can have things. I know some purses have this flap and there's nothing there, so I did want to say there's a real compartment there. Also, the inside of this bag is huge. Like, you can fit a ton of stuff in here. Storage bag here for your purse. I mean, I could carry like a ton of guns in here, but this compartment's not for carrying your guns. Inside this main compartment, there is a padded compartment back here where they list on their website you could put a tablet or a laptop back there. I'm wondering if I could fit a small plate back there. Also, this handle seems really durable and strong. It seems like it's going to hold up even if the bag is really heavy, which I guess they have to design it that way. If you're going to be carrying your gun in here, then it is going to be a pretty heavy bag, especially because it's a huge compartment. You're going to be carrying a lot of stuff and your gun. These handles need to be able to hold up. Now, moving toward the back of the purse, these straps seem like leather straps. I'm assuming they are because it says the purse is 100% leather. So these are black leather straps. They seem really durable. They are adjustable. Moving on to these zippers back here. There is one zipper on each side, and this is actually the compartment where you're going to be carrying your firearm. So it does go all the way through to the other side, and that is so you could be either right-handed or left-handed and purchase this purse and use it for its intended purpose to conceal carry your firearm and be ready to defend yourself. It does come with this matching leather holster with Velcro on each side. And the Velcro's on there because inside this back compartment It is a complete panel, top to bottom, all the way across to the other side of Velcro. So the Velcro back here and the holster, it gives you complete freedom to have your holster positioned perfectly optimal for your specific draw if you needed to get to your firearm. So I do like that. You can test a bunch of different angles on how to have your firearm in here, and I love that the Velcro in here gives you that ability to have complete freedom. I do want to test out this Velcro and see how strong it is, because if I'm going to put my gun in there, it better not move. Okay, so we're going to try that out and see. I'm going to go ahead and put my emptied firearm here. I'm just going to show you that it is clear. Okay, and I've got my practice magazine in here. I'm going to put it in this leather holster. Okay, it does seem like the trigger's pretty protected. I'm actually trying to get to the trigger to pull it right now, and I can't get through the leather and get a grip on it. Even if I come at it from both sides, I'm not actually able to pull that down. So that does make me feel a little bit more comfortable using a leather holster. Typically, I recommend a hard trigger guard so nothing can get to it, but it does come with this holster, so I do want to test that out, and I feel like the quality there is pretty good. Like, nothing's going to snag on it and pull my trigger accidentally. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in my bag, and we're going to see how strong this Velcro is. Okay, so my gun is in there. Not sure how clearly you can see that, but it is in there right there. I've just got it at kind of a little bit of a cant, like a 45-degree angle, just because I'm assuming if I'm going to pull it out, yeah, that feels pretty good. So I do have it at a slight angle in there. It's not just straight in there 90 degrees. And so I'm going to close up the zipper. I'm going to bounce it around, and we're going to see if it falls off or moves. Don't feel any movement going on. Okay, let's check it. Nope. It's in the exact same spot that I had it. It hasn't moved at all. So that is reassuring. That's exciting. Let me see if I can pull it off and see how strong this Velcro is. Okay, so the Velcro on there is very strong. I had to continually go in with my hand and push the inner Velcro away from the holster and just kept pulling it until I got it all the way off. So it's not like once it goes, the whole thing's gonna go. It did feel nice and secure, so I'm really pleased about that. I'll be trying this out, and I will be checking in with you guys. Of course, when I'm carrying this for real, I'm gonna have it completely loaded, ready to go, just like ready to defend myself. So overall, first impression, this seems like a really great quality concealed carry purse. I'm really excited to try this out, and so I'll be checking in with you guys and let you know what I think. Okay guys, I've got my firearm in here and it's loaded, ready to go, and we're getting ready to go run some errands and grab some lunch, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've been gone almost all day for like the last 7 hours running errands. It's Christmas time here, and we're getting down to the wire, and so I was out for the last 7 hours Christmas shopping, and my husband had to get his car worked on, so also dealing with that. Had to drop off a bunch of packages at the post office, did that, and all along the way, brought my backpack with me. Of course, I don't typically carry off body, so this was something new for me to try out and to get a feel for. I know a lot of you are new to concealed carry or new to firearms, and maybe you're not comfortable on body carrying, so I did want to review an off-body carry option. And I do think that this is a great option. I run into people that want to criticize off-body carry, and in my opinion, off-body carry is better than no carry. So if you have your firearm within retrieval distance of you, more than likely you're going to be able to stop a threat on your life. So good for you for going on this journey and looking into concealed carry options for yourself. Some things about this backpack that I'm really loving is, of course, like I mentioned before, I love the look of this. It was very comfortable. The straps were super comfortable to wear on my back. Like I said, we went out Christmas shopping for hours today, and I really tried to load this bag down. I've got an umbrella in here. I've got water in here. Of course, I've got my loaded firearm in here. I really wanted to test it out. I normally wouldn't carry an umbrella with me, but I was just trying to load it down to get a good feel for how it would hold up under heavy things in here. It definitely held up. It was very comfortable to wear all day. I did find that I liked to carry it on my left shoulder if I needed to access it. I felt like it would be easier access to just open the compartment and retrieve my firearm really quickly and easily. So that's how I started carrying it, and just like you saw just now, it was super easy to get into. I haven't noticed any snags in the zippers. It's extremely smooth zipper. Loving that about it. And I love these magnetic straps here. They strap back together easily. Overall, I love this purse. It's a great design. I think it's worth the money. And I think that it's definitely worth it if you're not going to carry on body, or if you're uncomfortable with that, or you haven't found a comfortable position to carry on body. This is an excellent off-body carry option. I'm going to have this linked below, and definitely think that concealed carry handbags are a safe and effective way to carry and conceal your firearms without having to carry on body. Before we go, I want to always let you guys know that you are loved, you are valuable, and you are worth defending. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Much love and ammo.